Hi everyone, myself I am Ahmad. I am in 11th grade. This is my first video, and in this video I am going to show you the demo of my AI assistant. This is a prototype and I am still working on it. Today I am going to show you the glimpse of this AI assistant. In this assistant I have used Raspberry Pi. So let's get started with the demo without wasting any time. This is an AI assistant and I call it Arafath, my brother's name. This assistant runs on Raspberry Pi 4. It has a mic for audio input and a speaker for audio output. This assistant helps us in our daily life. It can even generate codes, essays, letters, stories, and many more. And it does not copy from Google. It is connected to a GPT-3 model. It can even answer image related questions. It has a camera connected to it. Okay, let's move on with the demo. So let's get started with some conversations. Hi Arfat, good evening.
A warm good evening.
Arfat, describe yourself.
I am Arafath, an intelligent virtual assistant developed by Asil Ahmed. I am Arafath 1.2.
Hey Arfat, how are you?
I am fine. Thank you for asking about me. How about you?
I am good. Okay Arfat. Arfat, tell us about weather. Hey Arfat, how's the weather?
The temperature is 23 degrees Celsius and it is partly cloudy.
Hey Arfat, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is 5 volts and 1 amps.
Arfat, what are you doing?
Just helping you.
Thanks Arfat. Arfat, tell me the time.
Sir, the time is 20:54.
Hey Arfat, what is your age?
I am 4 months old.
Oh, pretty intelligent at such an age. Arfat, capture live image and forward it to me.
Sir, capturing image in 5 seconds.
Oh, thank you, Arfat. I have received the image. Okay, Arfat. Tell me a joke. Arfat, tell me a joke.
Understand recursion. You must first understand recursion.
I didn't understand that. Arfat, tell me another joke.
How many prologue programmers does it take to change a light bulb? False.
Good one. Okay, Arfat. Arfat, write a Python code to generate random numbers.
Send to your mobile.
Thank you, Arfat. Received the code. Okay, guys. Let's see the Python code generated by Arfat in the upcoming video. And don't forget to comment your ideas or suggestions. Hope you have liked my video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.